Crash course on United Kingdom, UK, local customs and etiquette. Welcome to a crash course on the local customs and etiquette of the United Kingdom. Understanding cultural norms and social etiquette can enhance your travel experience and help you navigate social interactions. Let's delve into the unique customs and share some interesting stories and examples to excite you. The United Kingdom is known for its politeness, respect for personal space, and adherence to social norms. Here are a few interesting stories and examples that highlight the country's customs. 1. Queuing. The British are famous for their love of queuing. Whether it's waiting in line at a bus stop, in a shop, or even for a cup of tea, queuing is considered a sacred ritual, and cutting in line is frowned upon. 2. Afternoon tea. Enjoying a traditional afternoon tea is a quintessential British experience. It typically consists of tea served with finger sandwiches, scones with clotted cream and jam, and a variety of sweet pastries. Taking the time to savor this delightful ritual is cherished by locals and visitors alike. Now, let's explore the top 12 attractions that showcase the local customs and etiquette of the United Kingdom. 1. Buckingham Palace, London, England. Witness the changing of the guard ceremony, a demonstration of precision and discipline. 2. Edinburgh Castle, Edinburgh, Scotland. Discover the rich history and traditions of Scotland's iconic castle. 3. Stonehenge, Wiltshire, England. Explore the ancient stone circle and learn about the mysteries surrounding its construction. 4. Windsor Castle, Windsor, England. Marvel at the grandeur of the Queen's official residence and witness the pomp and ceremony of the changing of the guard. 5. St. Paul's Cathedral, London, England. Experience a place of worship and admire the stunning architecture of this iconic cathedral. 6. Tower of London, London, England. Discover the history of this historic fortress, home to the crown jewels and famous beefeaters. 7. The Giant's Causeway, County Antrim, Northern Ireland. Explore the unique hexagonal rock formations and listen to the mythical tales of giants. 8. The Roman Baths, Bath, England. Step back in time and explore the ancient Roman bathing complex in the heart of the historic city of Bath. 9. The Royal Mile, Edinburgh, Scotland. Stroll along this famous street, lined with shops, pubs, and historic landmarks. 10. The British Museum, London, England. Immerse yourself in the world's treasures and learn about the diverse cultures that have shaped human history. 11. Canterbury Cathedral, Canterbury, England. Visit the seat of the Archbishop of Canterbury, the leader of the Church of England. 12. The Cliffs of Moher, County Clare, Ireland. Experience the breathtaking beauty of these majestic cliffs, offering panoramic views of the Atlantic Ocean. These attractions not only offer breathtaking sights but also provide insights into the rich customs and traditions of the United Kingdom. In summary, the United Kingdom's local customs and etiquette reflect a deep respect for tradition, politeness, and adherence to social norms. Whether it's queuing patiently or indulging in a traditional afternoon tea, embracing these customs can enhance your experience in this diverse and fascinating country. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our Anhub Metaverse channel. And please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here. Now, let's celebrate the local customs and etiquette of the United Kingdom with a poem. In the land of the United Kingdom, so fair. Customs and etiquette, with grace and care. Queuing in line, a patient delight. Respecting personal space, day and night. Afternoon tea, a cherished affair. Savoring flavors, with friends to share. Buckingham Palace, a regal sight. Changing of the guard, precision and might. Edinburgh Castle, history's embrace. Stonehenge's mystery, ancient in grace. Windsor Castle, where royals reside. Changing of the guard, pomp and pride. St. Paul's Cathedral, reaching the sky. Tower of London, legends defy. Giant's Causeway, a natural wonder. Tales of giants, echoing like thunder. Roman baths, a glimpse of the past. The Royal Mile, memories amassed. The British Museum, treasures untold. Canterbury Cathedral, a spiritual fold. Cliffs of Moher, cliffs so grand. United Kingdom's beauty, by nature's hand. From customs to attractions, a journey to embark, where tradition and history leave a lasting mark. Asterisk, asterisk, asterisk. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.